This is going to be a quick tutorial video on how to live stream the annual conference and how to navigate and access the conference agenda. So when you first log into the virtual platform, it's going to take you to this homepage. And anytime you're wanting to live stream the annual conference, you're going to go ahead and click on this live stream red button in the top right-hand corner. When you click on that, it's going to pull up a box with the live stream. Obviously, since the annual conference isn't going on right now, that's why my screen looks blank, but this will be where your live stream of the annual conference is. As you can see, it gives you the opportunity to maximize your screen or to go full screen, to minimize this and exit or close out. So if there's at any point at the conference where you accidentally close out of the live stream or that your live stream isn't showing up, just go ahead and click this live stream red button at the top, and that'll always bring you to the live stream, and that's how you access the conference. Next thing I wanted to go over here is the second tab down, the tutorials. I'm going to be creating a bunch of short videos like this with tutorial videos to help you learn how to navigate this platform. So definitely take a look at those videos if you have any questions on how to use or work the platform. Next tab down here is the welcome letter from our annual conference co-chairs. You can take the opportunity to read that letter from them. Next tab down here is the agenda. So this is where you're going to find the complete agenda for the annual conference. This does give you the opportunity to separate the agenda by days. So up here you can see this little drop down arrow. You can click on the different days individually and see the agenda. So we invite you to take a look at the agenda and go through it. If there are any sessions that you really want to make sure you attend or that you want to make sure you don't forget about, there is a great feature here where you can create your own schedule. You can see up here, there's a little heart and it says My Schedule. So as you go through the agenda, if there is a specific session that you want to make sure that you don't miss, you can click this little heart and that'll like it for you. So I'm just going to kind of go through the agenda and like a couple sessions here that I don't want to miss out on, for example. And once you've gone through the agenda and kind of hearted the ones that you want to make sure you don't miss out on, like I said, you can click on this My Schedule up here. And as you see, it shows you all the different sessions that you hearted. If there's one that you accidentally clicked on that you didn't want to be part of your schedule, you can go ahead and just unheart it, unclick it. But definitely take advantage of that. It's a great opportunity to kind of create your schedule so that you make sure that you attend the sessions that you're really looking forward to. That is a little bit of how to access the live stream and the agenda of the conference. Thank you.